Assalamu alaikum children. Now we will do some more exercises from Early Learner. Open your book with me. And in Early Learner also you have to write date here and day here with the help of your mummy. Now read out the instructions with me. Now the instructions given here, write the missing letters to complete the alphabet. Say the name and sound of each letter as you write. Now suppose the first one is has been done for you. The name of the letter is A and the sound is A. Now here is B and which letter is missing? Small B. B. Now capital C. The name of the letter is C and the sound is K. Here capital D is missing and this is, the sound is D. The sound is E. The name of the letter is E and the sound is F. Here is capital F and you have to write down the sound is fan. Now in the same way you have to do the missing letter. Now come to the next instructions given in your book. Copy these words in alphabetical order. Do you know what is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order means you have to arrange the letters. For example, first A will come and what comes after A? B. In the same way you have to arrange it in alphabetical order. Now read this word. R-A-T, rat. P-E-N, pen. D-A-D, dad. B-A-G, bag. Now we will find out which letter come first. Now R come first? No. P come first? No. D come first? No. Now after A, the next letter will be B. So we will write bag over here. B-A-G, bag. Now find out after bag which will be our next letter. After B we will have C and then D. So we will write dad. D-A-D. We will arrange the next alphabet. We will find out which letter will come after D. For example, if you read from D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So here we will have P for pen. So we will write pen here. P, E, N, pen. And the last is Q and then R. R-A-T, rat. This is called to arrange the word in alphabetical order. I hope you will understood. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to recite our new poem. What is the title of the poem? Dear Abdullah. Now you have to read the poem with me. Come on, let's start reciting the poem. Are you ready? Let's start. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo, E-I-E-I-O. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O, with a mew-mew here and a mew-mew there, here a mew, there a mew, everywhere a mew-mew, E-I-E-I-O. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a choo-choo here and a choo-choo there. Here a choo, there a choo, everywhere a choo-choo. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Dear Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. In this way you have to recite. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you about how to write number in words and color it. Now, first thing that you have to do is write date and then day. Now, children, how many pictures do you see here? It's 2, I think, right? Now, 1 cat and 2. Now, I will tell you how to write the number in block. First, write 2, touch the line. Don't forget to touch the line, okay? Then, it's equals to sign. Then, T W O 2. Don't leave the line. Again write 2 is equals to sign. Then T W O 2. And you have to do the rest of them right like this. Now color. Don't forget to color the picture. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you about how to write number in words and color it. Now, first you have to do is write date and day. Okay? Now, children, tell me that how many birds do you see here? Now, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 3 birds. Now, write 3 on a line like this. Then it's equals to sign. Then say with me, T H R double E 3. Again, don't leave the block. Again 3 is equals to sign. Then T H R double E 3. And you have to do the rest of them like this.
Assalamu alaikum. Let's read some new page from Oxford Reading Circle. Open your book. Are you ready? Yes, good. Now here is page number 18. Which page is this? 18. Now write date and day. Read the sound here. For man. For man. L for leg. L for leg. For up. For up. Now you have to read. Now s, and when you add the consonant T, it becomes sad. Sad. And when you add in it will become sad. 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 Ran. And if you add T here in it becomes rat. Ran. Rat. Fan. Fat. Dad. Dam. Lap. Lad. Map. Mat. Now here we have to read E. Now re. If you add D here, it becomes red. If you add st, it becomes rest. Red. Rest. Me. And if you add T here, it becomes met. If you add me and N, it becomes men. Me, met, men. Me, met, men. Fee. If you add N here, it becomes fen. If you add D here, it becomes fed. S-E. C. If you add T here, it becomes set. If you add double L, it becomes cell. Set, cell. L-E. Re. If you add G here, it becomes leg. If you add T here, it becomes let. If you add deh. If you add N here, it becomes den. If you add T at the end, it becomes dent. In this way, you will read this page. Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज का हमारा उन्वान है हुरूफ तहजीब अलिफ्ता ये लिखिए। ये आपकी नोटबुक है उर्दू की, आपने इसमें हुरूफ तहजीब अलिफ्ता ये लिखनी है। अच्छा, अब हम शुरू करते हैं। आपको यहाँ नुक्ते दिए गए हैं, आपने इन नुक्तों से शुरू करना है, ठीक है। ये नुक्ता हमें यहाँ दिया गया है अलिफ का, ठीक है। अब इस नुक्ते से शुरू करेंगे, इसे नीचे लाएंगे, बिल्कुल सीधी लकीर, और ये हो गया अलिफ। फिर अब इस नुक्ते से शुरू करेंगे बे, क्या आएगा बे। नीचे कश्ती की तरह घुमाएंगे और इसे ऊपर सीधी लकीर कर देंगे और नीचे एक नुक्ता। बे के नीचे कितने नुक्ते होते हैं? एक नुक्ता। फिर क्या आएगा? फिर आएगा अलिफ बे पे। हम लिखेंगे पे, नुक्ते से हमने शुरू किया, नीचे वाली लाइन से मिलाया, कश्ती की तरह बना के ऊपर लाइन। ये लाइन थोड़ी ऊपर हो गई है, हम इसे इरेज कर लेते हैं और ये हो गया आपका पे। पे के नीचे कितने नुक्ते होते हैं? 3, ठीक है। अब हम लिखेंगे ते। फिर हमने नुक्ते से शुरू किया, कश्ती की तरह बनाया और ऊपर सीधी लकीर। और ते के ऊपर कितने नुक्ते होते हैं? ते के नीचे नुक्ता नहीं होता, ऊपर होता है, ठीक है। अलिफ बे पे ते। फिर क्या आता है? टे। अब हम लिखेंगे टे। टे हम लिखेंगे नुक्ते से शुरू करके सीधा लाए, ऊपर सीधी लकीर और ऊपर छोटी सी तोएँ बनेगी। इस पर कोई नुक्ता नहीं होता, एक छोटी तोएँ होती है, ठीक है। अब आपने इसी तरह हुरूफ तहजीब पूरी लिखनी है अलिफ ता ये, ठीक है। यहाँ मैंने आपको बताया है कि आपने नुक्ते से शुरू करना है, ठीक है। आप शुरू करेंगे नुक्ते से और इसे पूरी ये तक कंप्लीट करेंगे। शुक्रिया।
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे बच्चों, आज की क्लास में हम सुबहानी कायदा पढ़ेंगे। जी बच्चों, आज से हम सबक नंबर 2 की शुरुआत करेंगे। तो आइए हम अपना सबक शुरू करते हैं। सबक नंबर 2, हुरूफ मुफरीदात की मश्क। हुरूफ मुफरीदात 29 हैं, अलिफ से लेकर या तक। जी बच्चों, सबक नंबर 1 में हमने याद किए थे नरमी वाले हुरूफ और सीटी वाले हुरूफ। सबक नंबर 2 में हम याद करेंगे हुरूफ मुस्तालिया। पढ़िए। हुरूफ मुस्तालिया 7 हैं। खा, सौद, ضاد طا ظا غين। दोबारा दोहराते हैं। قاف صاد ضاد طا ظا غين قاफ। हुरूफ मुस्तालिया को हमेशा पुर यानी मोटा पढ़ते हैं। बच्चों, हुरूफ मुस्तालिया को किस तरह पढ़ते हैं? हुरूफ मुस्तालिया को हमेशा पुर यानी मोटा पढ़ते हैं। तअव्वुज़, अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। तस्मिया, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। शीन, शीन, या, الف الف ثا ثا قاف قاف تا تا ضاد ضاد فا فا حمزہ حمزہ. جی بچوں اب آپ اس کو گھر میں دہرائیے, یاد کیجئے. صدق اللہ العظیم.